Hello, this is Ninjafish Plus Awesome Games, and today I'm playing Gears of War Episode 3? What? What Ninjafish? This is Episode 3 of this shit? What? I don't know. Yeah, so it's been a while since I played this Episode 3. It's the first series I've been in Episode 3 with, I'm so bad at this. Then I'm back with videos. I'm not gonna leave you ninjas. Don't worry, I'm still gonna play this shit. Now, this was where you left off, right? I think. Where are we going, right? Oh, here, found it. Punch them. There you go. Let's find something to shoot. Oh. Oh, stickers. What are those things? What is it? Stickers. Yeah. Oh! Okay, go to. Fuck you, No. Oh, sure. Can you go? Yeah, I know you confirm, but can you just go a little bit faster? Oh, thank you. That way. Chainsaw time. I'm getting so dry in my throat while doing that shit. Where are they? Where? Oh, there they are. I just can't. Okay. Oh shit. Is there any ammo around here or something? I can't see with this. Don't really think so. So we might have a little bit problem. Carmine and Ty, we might have a little problem with this guy because I don't have any more bombs. Charge! Oh, God. Thank you. Hello. That was really nice of you, you know. Death plus destruction equals pizza. Wait, what? How the hell did I come here? I'm confused. No! Gotta stop doing that. Oh, they are teleporting. They know telekinesis. Telekinesis. What do we have here? We have some tickers. Some tickers. Oh shit. Face me. Face me in face. Wait, how does that make sense? Face. No! No! What? It Ninjas, I'm so sorry for the sound that happened. Like, the sound didn't work, but shit happens, right? So I gotta end this episode right here, and I hope you enjoyed watching, even though the sound didn't work it out well. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, Ninjas, have a good time. Have a great time.